It is so easy to make just soap and silk. Let me show you. First, you measure all your hard oils. Put it in boiling water. Leave that to dissolve. Measure your liquid oils. Measure water. Measure lye. Then you add your lye to the water and stir it until it is dissolved. Stir your hard oils and make sure that you get rid of all the lumps and clumps. Add your liquid oils to the hard oil mixture and stir well. Add your lye and your silk solution to your oils and blend until you have reached the desired trace. I like to just give it an extra stir or two. Then get your mold ready. Pour it into the mold. You can use any mold of your choice. I prefer this one for this particular soap. And then I just give it a good tap to get rid of all the bubbles and make it nice and even. I use a ruler to get all the excess oil off and to make sure that all the little cavities are filled to the brim. Then scrape all the excess oil off like this. And that's it, as easy as that. You have just joined me in making just soap and silk. So let me know what you think in the comments.